Hi, I'm Marco Pavera. I'm from Josam here at the Bologna show in Italy. I'm here to present our new trailer tools to measure combined vehicles and full trailers in a single roll. So we have the adapter we can put in the kingpin, finding the center line of the dolly part. We have parts here and there we can hang onto the semi-trailer to do the same. We have been able to measure trucks, trailers, semi-trailers, buses and articulated buses using the articulated bus tool. For combined vehicles, we can either put a clamp onto the pull bar of the full trailer or attach an additional frame gauge in the middle of the semi-trailer close to the truck. That helps us find the center line in a good way. So we select the truck, we select the semi-trailer and continue on with wheel size that helps us determine the rolling distance. From here on, we continue to measure. We select using the semi-trailer tool, go next. We start by measuring the semi-trailer on the rear and we move slowly forward. So I take my measuring head, which is a spinning laser type, on the wheel adapter of the semi-trailer. And from here on we continue to measure. Now we have measured the complete vehicle. We're ready and we have the results for all axles. So moving from one to the other, we can see the values. Toe, camber, outer square, and in the end we can print a nice report with the values of both truck and semi-trailer. By introducing these new tools, it has eliminated the need of lifting axle by axle and spin the wheel 180 degrees. Now we can just roll the truck half a turn forward and we have the values of the complete vehicle. Semi-trailer or full trailer up to the amount of axles you have. Regardless of the amount of axles the vehicle has, our system can measure everything. Thanks for checking in today, and if you want to know more, please check out our website, www.josam.se.